Ultronics Powerlite Pro Series lithium batteries. What goes into the powerful, long-lasting, and safe Powerlite lithium lightweight batteries? We start with the highest grade lithium iron phosphate cells available, made by Lithium Works, formerly A123. This cell is the most powerful of its kind, yielding a single cell current capacity of 120 amps. These cells sell retail for $13 a piece. We use 40 of these cells in one of our battery packs. The cells are welded together and fitted with 1/2-inch pure copper bus bars. Our competitors use a modular cell that only has a total current capacity of 200 amps. These lower quality cells cost $35 a piece, and only 5 are used in a pack. In comparison, the Powerlite battery pack can easily output 1,000 amps, compared to only 200 amps for the competition. Consider a typical high-compression, big cubic inch racing engine that may require 700 amps to crank. The Powerlite battery is not nearly being pushed to its max, but the competition has to go multiple times over its rated capacity. This severely impacts cell degradation and longevity, along with the potential for catastrophic failure. Of course, the cells are important, but what is most important in a lithium battery is the BMS, or battery management system. The BMS controls all aspects of the battery, from overcharge and discharge, overcurrent, short circuit, over temperature, and cell balancing. The BMS not only allows the battery to have a long life, but more importantly, provides the control necessary to safely use a lithium battery and prevent thermal runaway. All lithium batteries require a BMS, no matter what chemistry. Our competition only provides cell balancing that does not protect the battery. Ultronics was the first company to design a BMS for a performance lithium battery that could withstand the high current requirements of the performance racing industry. This BMS not only provides peace of mind, but has provided many of our customers Powerlite batteries that are still going strong for over 9 years and counting. Ultronics designs CNC machines and assembles all batteries in-house, made in the USA. For more information, please contact Ultronics Incorporated.